Yo, today, as usual, we are inside ComfyUI and we are going to take a look at a very simple workflow that lets us create a prompt from an image. So basically, is the opposite of image generation. This is prompt generation. And we can use the same exact workflow even for videos. So basically, we have an image or a video that we really like. We want to have an exact prompt that to recreate the image or the video. So we just upload our file, and with this custom node, we will have, as you can see, in this case, a super detailed prompt about the picture. Also, we can just have a simple description. So if we run it again, so as you can see, a simple description is a woman with platinum blonde hair wearing a red Supreme hoodie featuring a white Louis Vuitton monogram pattern, large overhead headphones, and so on. And so this is the workflow that we are going to see in today's video. But before that, I apologize if my voice today is a little bit weird. It's the starting of allergy season, so I'm a mess right now. And for the next 2 months, allergy season will hit hard on me. So forgive me about my voice, but I hope that everything will be fine. So now let's move on and start creating with this workflow. So we are inside ComfyUI as usual, but today we are going to do things a little bit differently. So first of all, let's remove all of this so that we can start over. And so now we do things differently because today we don't use a pre-made workflow, so we don't have to drag and drop the workflow, so the JSON file inside ComfyUI, but we just use some custom nodes. So first thing first, we go into the manager, we go into custom node manager, and here in the search bar, we search for QuenVL. And we download the first one, so the one from AI Lab. You download the latest version and you move on. Second, and the other custom node that we need, we just search for custom scripts. So it is the second one. If we go like this, is the first one from this author here. And we download again the latest version. Once we have these two custom nodes, or these two pack of custom nodes, we can restart our ComfyUI. So you restart ComfyUI, custom nodes are installed, and we can move on. So first thing first, double click, we search for QuenVL, and there are a bunch, we just select the first one, and here we have the custom node that we just downloaded and we need today. So from the response, we drag and drop, and now we search for show text, and we select this one, the one with the little snake, and we expand a little bit. Perfect. And now from image, we drag and drop, and we go with load image. Perfect. Now we have everything that we need, and we can just run the workflow and see if everything works smoothly. After that, we go into some details about the workflow. So we run it. Perfect. And as you can see, we've got a super detailed description of our image. So a young woman with fair skin and light green eyes looks directly at the viewers from a 3/4 profile view in the studio portrait, and so on. Now, as you can see, from an image, you get a prompt. But it's not over here. As you can see here in the preset prompt, you can click and have tags, simple description, detailed description, that it is the one that we've just used, ultra detailed description, and much more. So if we just want the tags of our image, we can select tags and run the prompt. And as you can see now that it's finished, we only have the tags for our image. If we change again and we just want a simple description of our image, we go simple description and we run. And as you can see, we have just a very simple description of our image. Now, why this workflow is so powerful? Because of course, if you look around and maybe you see on Instagram or on any other social media an image that you really like and you want to create something similar, you can just download the image, put it inside this workflow, and have a prompt in different kind of size, I mean just a simple prompt, a detailed, a ultra detailed prompt of the image that you want to recreate. You take the prompt, you put it inside your image generator of choice, so the image, Nano Banana, and so on, and you recreate a similar image to the one that you really like. So sometimes we look at other creators for inspiration, we look online, on social media for inspiration and to see some cool images, and we go, oh, I want to recreate that. Well, with this workflow you can do exactly that. You can recreate the image that you like the most, have a prompt about the image, and use it to make the image on your own, maybe with your own character, maybe with just the same style. Another cool thing that we can use this workflow for is to, let's say that we are training a LoRa for a model that requires both the image and the prompt to the image. With this, you can just put the image, have the prompt, put it inside the LoRa trainer, and in just a second you will have the image with the prompt to train the LoRa for. Now, I will show you a couple more cool things that we can do with this model. So right now we delete the image and now we load up a video. Here we go with load video. Perfect. Now we choose a video. Perfect. So I selected this video.
What are you waiting for? Subscribe to the channel. Give a like and join the free community.
Perfect. And now we can select, again, simple description, detailed description, cinematic description, video summary, short story, and so on. So let's go with video summary, and we run. And here, as you can see, we have a video summary of the video that we uploaded. If we go with detailed description, for example, and we run it again, as you can see now, we have a detailed description of the video. So basically you can do everything that we just did with the image, but with the video also. And this is very powerful because, again, maybe you look out for inspiration or you want to recreate exactly a kind of video that you saw and that you like. With these custom nodes, you can recreate this. And also, just because I forgot to mention, here we have this custom node that is load video upload, as you can see. If you don't have these custom nodes, as you can see, video helper suite, you go into manager, custom node manager, and you search for video helper suite, as you can see here, and you download this. You refresh your ComfyUI and you are good to go. So with this little custom node and the video or the image uploader and show text, you can basically recreate any images and video that you like, and this is very, very powerful. Now, if you are on the premium or VIP tiers inside the community, the video will continue because I want to show you two more things. One is to have a bunch of different images, and by using this custom node, you can have in just a click all the prompts for the images. This is very powerful when training a LoRa because you just upload all the images that you need to train the LoRa, so your dataset, and you will have all the prompts for all the images in just one click. This is very powerful. And another thing that I want to show you is how to directly put these custom nodes inside an image generator workflow. So we'll try it with the image turbo, so that we just take the image that we like to copy, we have this custom node, and directly will generate the image that we want to generate in just one single click. So if you are premium or VIP, the video continues. And so if you are here on YouTube, please consider giving this video a like, subscribe to the channel if you want more video, and of course, if you want a lot more, just join my free community. I will leave you the link in the description of the video, in the bio of the channel, or just scan the QR code right here, right now on your screen. In the meantime, please let me know your thoughts about this workflow in the comments below, and as always, I will see you next time. Take care, bye bye.